Hey curl friends, it's the Sincerely Asia and I'm back at it again with another video, and this video is going to be featuring a new brand that has helped me get through my busy workout schedule that I've been on. If you have been following me on Instagram, which why wouldn't you, down in the description box, come on y'all. If you have been following me there and anywhere else, you know that I love to work out, and I have been on vacation for the past few weeks, but that does not change the fact that my workouts still need to get done. So with that being said, Sunday to Sunday has helped me get through, I want to say we are on day 6 here, and I'm still looking amazing, if I do say so myself, with this week-old wash and go. And all I've been doing is revamping it with Sunday to Sunday products. So if you would like to see how I revamp my hair after a workout and also a few clips from my workouts, just keep watching. Everything will be down in the description box below. And I definitely want to link up with some more of my workout girls. Go ahead and comment down below with your email, and I think I might just have to give this away to one of my other curly girls out there. So that's it. That's all. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and we will see you guys in the next one. Alright y'all, so we're gonna hop right in. This was the day after I had gone to the gym for the first time in a while at Effect, and let me tell you, I was so tired that I didn't even touch my hair that day. So it was amazing to be able to grab some Sunday to Sunday to try to revive my hair. This was the first time I was using it, and I was thoroughly impressed. The first thing I grabbed was the Root Refresh. It definitely added a cool sensation to my scalp and gave me like a minty type feeling, as if I was actually washing my hair. And I will say, everybody knows I sweat a lot when I work out, so this was so necessary to make sure that I loosened up my roots and prepped to try to get a style going. So what I have to say about this Revive Me spray is that it is my favorite product in the entire line. I have found with a lot of refreshing, curl refreshing type sprays, they usually are conditioner based, or they have like some sort of conditioner in it that basically weighs my hair down, so I end up having to wait for it to dry as though I'm just doing the wash and go over again. But this was a nice spritz. It was as light as water, but still managed to make my curls pop and shine. I was obsessed with it when I first used it. The back of my hair is usually my most problem area when it comes to trying to revive a wash and go that I've tied up, and it was absolutely amazing. And then I went in for the Soothe Me Scalp Serum. I applied it on my edges because I usually keep them kind of tight. They do have a product for edges, which we'll get to later. I used it later in the week. And then I applied it to the crown. Like I said earlier, I sweat a lot when I work out, and when I don't oil my scalp, it tends to get flaky right at the crown. So it was nice to have that as a nice soothing sensation, and I do feel like it helps me a lot with itchiness in the crown of my scalp. So by this point in the week, I'm usually strictly wearing my hair in a puff. As you can see, it gets very stiff in the back from tying it up. I always tie it going up in a pineapple at night. And if you look really closely, you see that my edges are flaked, baby. So it is just so much easier for me to just keep it up in a puff, but I wanted to put the products to the test. So I grabbed for the Revive Me spray and I started to try to shape my hair back into my fro and it was surprisingly easy to fall. Once I sprayed the back and I just kept fluffing it out a little bit, I was very surprised by how much movement it gave my hair in just like seconds. Like I said, I had my hair in a puff and my roots in the front, you see that flaking, y'all? My roots in the front had been pulled tight, and so I wanted to give the edge flourish a try just because I know that I don't cater to my edges as much as I should. Usually if I'm not doing baby hairs, I don't show them any love. So I wanted to make sure that I use this product to show my edges some love in the front, and then I use some on the nape of my neck. And I really loved how soothing the product made my scalp feel, and also the shine that it gave my, like the roots of my hair. It was popping. So I had been wearing a puff since that last wash and go refresh that I had, and then I wanted to have a Saturday night out, and I don't like wearing my hair up when I go out. I think it just looks so much better with my outfit and gives me just a whole new different look if I can pull out a wash and go. But at this point, girl, stiff. And I have so many different curl patterns in my hair, it just gets so hard to make them look blended and uniformed with as long as the week goes. So this was really a testament of just sheer will and wanting it to work. I grabbed that root refresher again just to try to loosen up my roots, to get my hair to start just trying to fall into place. And as you can see, I am worried, I am struggling. So something that I do like to do when my hair starts to lose shape and I can't get the front of my fro to fall the way that I want it to anymore is put a headband in the front just so that my fro shape has something to conform to. And you'll see how I do that in just a second, how I make it start to just form around. Any headband will do. I like headbands rather than the scrunchy ones that go all around my head because I don't like the tension. So I pretty much just push it back and start to try to get my hair to form a shape around that perimeter. And I'm like so lost. I'm like, what am I doing? How am I going to make this work? So shout out to me and shout out to Sunday to Sunday because we did that, okay? I went and did my makeup and I'm going to show you guys the finished look. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed.